सर्वेभ्यो नमो नमः. Welcome to Jnanasudha online Sanskrit learning classes. In the previous video, we have learned Yan Sandhi and Pura Rupa Sandhi. Please go through with description for my previous classes. In the today's Sanskrit class, we will be discussing about Vyanjana Sandhi and its types. Please subscribe this Jnanasudha channel for more videos. There is a simple definition for Vyanjana Sandhi. That is, when two consonants or one consonant and one vowel meet and undergo some change, it is called Vyanjana Sandhi. There is another name for Vyanjana Sandhi, that is Hal Sandhi. There are 8 types in Vyanjana Sandhi. They are Stutva Sandhi, Shtutva Sandhi, Jastva Sandhi, Chatva Sandhi, Sattva Sandhi, Anunasika Sandhi, and Anuswara Sandhi, and Parasavarna Sandhi. In the today's class, we will be discussing about only the two sandhis. There are Stutva and Stutva. The first one is Stutva Sandhi. According to Panini, there is one formula for Stutva Sandhi, that is Stoha, Stuna, Stuhu. If Sa letter and Ta varga are followed by Sha letter and Cha varga, Sa and Ta varga will be replaced by Sha and Cha varga, and that is called Stutva Sandhi. Vyanjana Sandhi only take place in 33 Vyanjanaksharas. This is the only two formula for Stutva Sandhi. Sa plus Sh or Chavarga is equal to Sh plus Sh or Chavarga. This is the first formula. And the second one is Tavargaha plus Sh or Chavargaha is equal to Chavargaha plus Sh or Chavargaha. Let's see with examples. Haris plus Shete is equal to Harish Shete. It will become Harishete. Means Vishnu or Hari will sleep. This is the example for first formula. Haris. In the Purvapada, Sakara is the letter, plus Shete, Shakara is the Uttarapada letter. Then after becoming a Sandhi, Harish Shete. Haris Sakara will become Shakara. Harish Shete. Or also Harish Shete. We are pronouncing Shakara twice. This is the first example. The next one is Ramas plus Cha is equal to Ramashcha. It will also become Ramascha. In Purvapada, Sakara is the letter. In Uttarapada, Chakara is the letter. After becoming a Sandhi, it will become Ramascha. These are the two examples for first formula. And the next formula is Tavargaha plus Sh or Chavargaha is equal to Chavargaha plus Sh or Chavargaha. The first example is Sharat plus Chandraha is equal to Sharat Chandraha, and it will become Sharaschandraha. In Purvapada, Takara is the letter. Uttarapada, Chakara is the letter. After becoming a Sandhi, Sharaschandraha, Takara will replace it and Shakara will come, Sharaschandraha. This is the first example. And the next one is tat plus jnaha is equal to taj jnaha. It will become tajnaha. In Uttarapada, takara is the letter. In Uttarapada, jhakara is the letter. After becoming a sandhi, tajnaha. These are the examples for the next and the last formula of Chutva Sandhi. The next Sandhi is Jastva Sandhi. Jhalam Jash Jhashi is the sutra of Panini to Jastva Sandhi. If Vargiya Vyanjana, which are the Vargiya Vyanjanas? Tavarga, Chavarga, Tavarga, Tavarga and Pavarga are the Vargiya Vyanjanas. We can classify those into groups. No, there are 33 Vargiya Vyanjanas are there in Sanskrit Varnamala. If Vargiya Vyanjana except Anunasika are followed by vowels or soft consonants, then those will be replaced by the third letter of the same Vargas respectively. It is very simple. If the first letter of Vargiya Vyanjana is the letter of Purvapada, after becoming a Sandhi, the same Varga's third letter will be replaced for first letter. For example, if the Kakara, Ka letter is in the Purvapada, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gakara will be replaced for Sandhi. After becoming a Sandhi, we will pronounce Gakara. Like that, one by one, we will be discussing the examples. There are no formulas for Jastva Sandhi. Directly we will be going to examples. The first one is Ach plus Antaha Ajantaha. In Purvapada, Chakara is the letter. Akara is the Uttarapada letter. Antaha. After becoming a Sandhi, Ajantaha we are pronouncing. Cha, Cha, J. Jakara is the third letter. No. That's why Chakara will be replaced and the Jakara will come. The third letter of the same Varga will come. The next example is Sup plus Antaha Subantaha. In Purvapada, Pakara is the letter. In Uttarapada, Akara is the letter. After becoming a Sandhi, Subantaha, Bakara we are pronouncing. Pa will be replaced to Ba, Pa, Pa, Ba. Like that. The next one is Vak plus Ishwari is equal to Vagishwari. Vak, Kakara is the letter. Ikara is the Uttarapada letter. The Sandhi will become Vagishwari. Ga, Ka, Kha, Ga. Same Varga's third letter will come. Vagishwari. And the last example is Tat plus Iti is equal to Taditi. Tat. Here Takara is the letter of Purvapada. Ikara is the letter of Uttarapada. Ikara. I. After becoming a Sandhi, Taditi. Dakara will added and the Takara will get replaced. Ta, tha, da. Like that. This is the examples of Jastva Sandhi. In the today's class, we have discussed Stutva Sandhi and Jastva Sandhi with some examples. In the next class, we will be discussing about Anunasika Sandhi. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and please support, like and comment this channel. Thank you all.